fourth element within this program. And like we say these days, provision of education is comparable to provision of food to children in a household. I therefore call upon all stakeholders of Trinity College to continue improving the quality of education in this school. We should strive for excellency, not only in academic performance, but also in leadership development. And actually I was impressed by the head girl when she was making her speech. Yes, I was impressed. And I thought she was going to be a lawyer like me, but she's a scientist. And I think she's going to do great wherever she's going to go. Moral formation, innovation, and other co-curricular activities are very important because they produce a wholesome citizen. The world is changing rapidly, and our schools must prepare learners to thrive in a competitive global environment. This requires continuous investment in infrastructure, and the infrastructure is quite impressive here, and I'm sure it's going to be developed further. Teacher development and digital learning.